Yo, so it's another day in a life, and I'm in a trade at the moment as we speak. Let me show you. Right now, I'm in a trade on NAS. NAS is currently, it looks like it's going well. Profit right now isn't too shabby either. We're just gonna kind of see how this plays out. So the trade is pushing nicely as we speak. So crazy push at the moment. We're literally up 1.7 at the moment. We're very close to TP, very close. So as soon as we can pack this out, it's gonna be a good start to the day. So update, I've been here for a while now. This trader has now decided to consolidate for ages, and I've just been sitting here waiting to hit TP. I've made some adjustments though. So here's what we're looking at, right? We almost hit TP, but I've moved my TP all the way down to now this most recent swing high. We're literally a few dollars away, consolidating for ages, and this is on a 3-minute time frame. So every candle is actually a 3-minute candle. So right now, I've also entered a few more positions, right? I've entered a few more positions because it just looked good and everything like that. But I'm managing this properly. I'm managing this properly because at the end of this trade, right, I can't lose money just because we're so close to TP. So I added another position, adjusted that. Everything is basically at break even right now. So worst case scenario at this point, if we get stopped out, this trade is just going to be break even. Break even is literally right here. TP is right here, so we either get pushed it upside or we just get stopped at break even. So I'm just gonna leave this trade right now. I'll probably update you lot later on in the day. Right now I'm gonna get ready and then start heading out. Yes. So right now on my way to seeing a friend of mine, basically cheeky little dinner or whatever, and then from there, yeah, I've got a few more things to do today. Pretty much just finished trading. Trading was actually good today, but I made a few mistakes, but I'll show you exactly what happened later on. Right now I don't have my car still. That's under repair. So in terms of that, it's basically not much I can really do besides wait and pass the time. There's literally so many people here, and it's hella weird being around people like this. Them cricket looks serious, fam. What if you don't want 10? Wait, what if you don't want 4?
I feel like if you don't want 10, you're gonna have to pay like this.
£5 each, which would be, like, it can't be 2 for 10, that's robbery, bro. So it has to be
£2.
I want us to try it. Let's do a little taste test. What they've got, maple roast.
Enjoyable, anyway. See you.
Hi, how are you? Okay, I'm getting, what are they all £2.75 each, all of them?
Exactly. But
okay.
It's gonna be £10.
Cool. What are we saying? How many? You get 4? Should we try 4 different ones?
4 different ones?
Could you try 4 different ones?
Yeah.
This is the
Well, let me see if there's even 4. Yeah, that looks like the one I would get regardless.
Chocolate, like a brownie, strawberries and cream with a marshmallow.
And there won't be the last one.
Black forest, it's a bit sour. Peanut butter, and maple pecan has no chocolate.
Yeah.
Just add a sour one. That's a sour one though, no?
I think so.
We don't want sour cookies though, no?
Which one is this one? Oh, that's the orange one they're talking about. What about the strawberry one?
Strawberry just sounds pointless. Who gets strawberry now? Which one was the sour one, sorry?
This one.
Oh.
It has cherries inside, that's why it's sour.
What do you think?
This is more like a Jaffa cake. And this
orange is sour.
Marshmallow.
So either one of these.
So.
Alright, can we get the strawberry and cream then, please? So it's after school club, isn't it? Thank you very much. Philip, can you hold that, please? Thank you. For your card, please. I thought you live around these sides, fam.
I don't live around these sides. Do you know what? I've came to this country 2005. 2005, I've moved houses 4 times. And they've all
4 times?
And they've all been in
Oh, is it? Same area? Just...
Like, we literally haven't moved.
Fairs.
And there's no reason for me to come here, so...
Either, yeah. Let me guess, yeah, 5. Most things are 5ers, fam.
What type of ice cream?
Just a bare simple vanilla thing, fam. Frappes. $8.50. That's not how much it is in McDonald's. Yeah, simple cone. Damn. Yeah, roughly around £2 for a drink, yeah. Cheeky little taste test, isn't it? Nice with leg though.
You don't taste that peanut butter, bro.
Is it?
I'm not getting peanut butter at all.
There's a lot though. That's very
Sweet.
Now, I can't even finish one right now. It's doing a lot. Shows that strawberry.
Yeah. Strawberry and like marshmallow.
Yeah. Turned into a food channel somehow, but strawberry one isn't too sweet.
Thank God for this pace.
Oh yeah, mouse case. Quality.
You put me onto mouse, bro. I can actually do it. Watch it.
That's hard. It doesn't taste too much strawberry, but it's not super sweet, which is good.
Strawberry and marshmallow.
But we're gonna feel sick after this, I can't lie to you. Look on my ratings here.
I think it tastes different.
My ratings, I don't even know. You know what? I'll never lie. Angela cookies are better than this. Is it just me? There's too much going on here, man. I'll rate the milk chocolate one probably calm. Triple chocolate is extreme, is a lot.
This is
So, at numbers.
out of 10 out of 5.
So which one is that? We'll do it out of 5.
Out of 5, this is a 3.
Which one's that?
Strawberry and marshmallow.
3 out of 5. Not bad.
Only because it tastes like any other cookie.
I'll rate the triple chocolate one a 2, and the milk chocolate a 3. None of them are getting 4. Because when it's a 4, you want to devour that cookie immediately, bro. DJ is too cool, man. We're hoping. Only thing that entered the framing, fam. Because I lose too much headspace.
Doesn't know the RPF standards.
You're hearing headspace. So we're going straight from here, we're going to my boy's house now, and the plan is to jump on and just see how delivery jobs are. So that should be pretty fun. Got an hour journey to do. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, I can't lie, I haven't been here in so long that I got out the wrong way and I don't know where I am. So one thing I've done, had to do a lot so far, is a lot of walking. It's been a while, but it's kind of like therapeutic a little bit. The amount of walking I've done today and just sitting down and looking around is quite nice. And then we're gonna see how it is to kind of, I guess, work. Not like I haven't worked or anything, of course I have, but just to do the delivery job. I'm kind of intrigued to see how it is. So I figured I'll tag along with him, see exactly how it goes. Day out though, I can't lie, it's kind of nice. You should walk more. This is the most walking I've done.
I'm gonna make you work.
This guy's working for about 3 hours. And I'm basically just here now, roaming the streets because he has to like get ready and I'm not allowed in at the moment. So I'm gonna be here for a minute, man. So I'm literally roaming the streets like I'm a what's those people again that are new to the country? Yeah, like them guys. Just looking at shops like I've never seen them before. Just to pass the time. I don't know why for some reason I thought you would have your own van. Our drivers do not carry cash. Oh, it's only a 1-seater. So the agenda now is to go to a few houses. Hopefully we buck someone we know and then try to see exactly the inside and outs of exactly how delivery stuff is. Let's go to the first drop. You're driving a bit erratic though. Let me put a seatbelt on the car. This is not safe. You lot did not clean this van. Wait, let me see what's here. So what's here? Oh, there's more deliveries here. This is what people order, fam. What, lazy? Bro, the shop is down the road. One thing about people that do this though, they park like wild people, fam. Just ching it anywhere. Look at all these parks right now. It's not bad, like this isn't horrible, but our clients isn't, you only have like 4 houses to go to. 10. That's calm. I can't lie, we're very, very close to 35k. So if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. If you're liking the cheeky little content, I know this has nothing to do with trading, but hey, this is one of the days, a random day in my life, to be honest. Very random day. First time experiencing this, so you guys are experiencing it with me. It's getting darker, but right now we're in a nice area though. Like, look at the houses here. Houses here are not that bad. Pretty decent. So far we've got like £4 tip, which is not bad, you know. So let's just see if we can get like more tips from these ones. One more drop and then we're gonna go back, get another whole bunch and then do another set. But that set should be a lot easier. So far it's not too shabby. Currently 9:45, final delivery. Yeah, pretty much it's been a decent day. But apparently today's one of the good days though, so not been a bad experience. Would I do this? Yeah, you know what? Yeah, if I'm bored, why not? Just apply and do this once a week or something. This is it. Say less. Hey, you done all the orders, yeah?
Should I?
Yeah.
2 special fried rice. 1 with chili oil.
Can I have your king from fried rice, please? with chili oil, please. Very spicy, extremely spicy. And then can I have your sweet and sour? Spending 50 in Chinese shop is wild, by the way.
Crazy, isn't it?
Crazy, bro.
How much did she say?
52.
52. I can't lie.
Just so you withdraw 60.
£1 something. Wow, that's silly.
No, but what? We should go down there.
It's gonna take 20 minutes. We still have time.
We still have time, to be fair. That food ain't gonna be ready in time. Oh yeah, I was even meant to chat to you. Well, what did you chat to Julie about?
Look at you.
What happened? Oh no, this place smells like poo. I'm telling you, bro. It's been trailing, fam. I said, bro. Oh my, bro, I'm not even kidding. It's coming in waves. You locked it. Hakeem, if you lock the thing, it's long. Gotta like it. What you say, Ski? You gotta go like it. How did you recognize it was a car?
I just clocked it. It's the plate.
Is it?
Clock.
Just get a munch. Where you going?
Somewhere he shouldn't be.
Hey, the boss. Fair, say less, Roski. I've never seen down before either. What, Ting? Ting is clapped.
I don't know
What?
about D&G, bro.
Well, you paid for that already? Yeah. But is the min? How much is it, sorry?
This guy needs to stop getting these drinks, you know.
What the heck?
What's wrong with
What the
it?
heck is that?
It's £2 as well. What life are we living?
You get Miranda.
Oh, that's actually nice. I should have got that instead. Yeah, I had it at church. Length still. So here's the trade outcome. Basically got stopped at break even eventually. So didn't make any money. I mean, about $100, $200 at the end of the trade, but that's about it.